Kamachelo warango weche go mag jotije. Taenya wadhi kaonti ma Kisii. Komiti mar weche jotije od burano ma kaonti ma Kisii dhi nyime kod dayo dho jokanyo mag bod ewi chenro mag ndiko jotich mane onywando jotije manyawawa. Chenro mar nono kaka nondik jotich kane oyangore e dweche mokalo. Mano kano kale kaonti no ma Kisii ne ondiko jotije manyawawa bura. Bod mar ndiko jotije nonywandore mano kata tago maliet mano bang' fwenyruok ni negi ndiko jal mane jahigni 62 nikech en gi lony mar yuecho. Bod no bende ka duoko penjo motenore kod mibadhi ndiko jotije kaonti ma Kisii ka chenro mar nono weche jotije go rumo odiochieng' ma kawuono.
He is having the 4,845 children of our people at heart. He is saying that this petition is supporting the people. Is he supporting these 4,000 learners in need of skills for our country?
No, maybe it's not supporting children.
How many teachers? Youth polytechnic. These were ECD. Those are young boys and girls. They were to do those businesses. What about the youth polytechnic? How many extra teachers were you asking about?
And I'm surprised that my brother is getting worried when truths are coming out as to the engagements that the people mentioned in the petition, how they were recruited. I think it's only fair that the committee gets to understand, because I'm sure if the petitioner was availed with documents relating to the recruitment and decided to choose what to avail to the committee, he must be aware of the circumstances under which these people are employed.